You're close to the
It's still
correct. The back one.
oh. Oh, that's upside down. Look at that, it's upside. That's not how it's supposed to be. But I mean, if it runs, it runs.
Yeah, you got lights on the front too.
Free bird.
Yeah.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
There we go.
Come on. Free birds. Come on.
Oh yeah, that's it. Oh shoot! I think I'll buy that one.
There we go. Here we go.
Nice.
126.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Hey Max.
Max. Free bird over.
The big Southern Civic steam locomotive.
Wow, it works.
Yeah. It works really well.
Oh God, no. Why?
Oops.
What's that song called? Free bird. Free bird.
Oh darn. Derailed.
Of course it did. Why wouldn't it? I need a track banging car.
Oh man.
Come on.
Didn't know what to do. The big Southern Pacific steam locomotive was running around. Well, anyways, Max says came.
Yeah. What's he gonna do?
I know. New Year.
16 and 12, so.
Why do none of those run? This runs, I'll take it.
So, Keith, we're going
You know where the like Pacific unit is? Keith?
Well, I have one here.
You gonna go too?
We're going to Quiznos to get a sandwich.
Are you going?
I'm not gonna go. I gotta go for lunch at 1 o'clock with my
Oh.
grandson.
There's Keith, me, anybody else? You?
come in?
Yo.